Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to Cold Toronto. This is April 20. It's -1 outside. Who lives in this kind of weather? In this kind of country? Man, the gods are turning liberal on me, living in this liberal country. What? Is that what we're going to talk about? No. I like joking. I like to have fun. Too cold for me. But what we are going to talk about, a secret that nobody will ever tell you in this world. Yeah. And that's what we're going to talk about. On this channel, we talk about everything and anything that makes us not awesome, but the best, awesomest human beings. I was going to name this channel Motivation with Kareem Nanji. And I sat around and I said, is that what we're going to talk about on this channel? Motivation? And I thought about it. And guess what I came across? The name Transformation with Kareem Nanji. Why? Why did I come up with the name Transformation? What does the word transformation mean? The word transformation means that you want to transform this body into great heights in your wealth, your spiritual, mental, and physical health. Why? So what does the word transformation mean? To transform from one place where you are to something that you want to be. And what does that require? What does that require? Action. That is what it requires. Action. You cannot transform from where you are today to something where you want to be tomorrow with all the knowledge gathering that you are doing currently. It requires action. Deliberate, conscious action. Why does it require deliberate, conscious action? The reason you require deliberate, conscious action is because you are training your mind in your body to be that what you want in your life. Think about what I just said. And the only way that happens is through action. Deliberate, conscious action. And when you keep on doing those actions over and over and over again, what happens? It becomes part of you. And when it becomes part of you, now you have transformed into something that you wanted in your life. This is how you transform. I always share on this channel something that has worked for me. And why am I sharing this with you? Because it's worked for me. But am I telling you what to do? On this channel, I have never ever told you what you should do. What I am telling you on this channel, what you should do, is to be your own guinea pig and try these ways of living, because guess what? It works. Who am I learning this from? My mentors: Napoleon Hill, Wallace Wattles, Bob Proctor, Tony Robbins, and all the other gods that have come on this earth to teach us. This way of living works, my friends. Just try it. Transform yourself into something amazing. And the only way you can transform is how? Through action. Without action, there is no transformation. Until you take action, then guess what? You will see what happens in your life. Before the action part, you're just gathering information. And the secret of secrets is there is no secret. All the information that you want, all the knowledge there ever was, is already present on this earth. There is no secret. The secret is action. Even if it is action which is flawed action, but at least you are taking action. Why? Through action you learn that maybe, hey, this way of living, this way of me taking action is not the right action. Then you can tweak and turn and make deliberate, conscious actions of a new way of doing things. If your first plan doesn't work, change and tweak that plan. And guess what? Make a different plan. And if that plan doesn't work, make and do another plan and tweak it. But never, ever, ever change your what? Definiteness of purpose. All your plans should be going towards that one purpose in life. This is what successful people do. They take action, even imperfect action, but they take action. I know people in my life who are constantly gathering information, but yet I know people in my life, they take imperfect action. And here's what I've learned. The people who are gathering information, collecting knowledge until everything lines up in their life, they're still poor, they're still miserable, and they're still unhappy. Yet, I know people who take imperfect action. They learn as they go along, and they are learning and changing their plans to their definiteness of goal. And those people who are happier, they have become smarter, they have become wealthier, and they have become wiser through imperfect action. Yet the people who are still gathering information are what? Are always fearful. They're unhappy and they're poor in their life. This is the secret of all the sages in the world. Action. Even imperfect action. But they take action. This is how you transform into great heights, my friends. Just try it. Don't trust me. You be the guinea pig and see what happens in your life. So if you think I gave you value, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so we can make this world the best world ever. Live consciously with purpose in this beautiful moment now and with freaking passion. So much passion, there's only one love.